Hello traders, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Automatic signal generator. In this chart automatically you will receive signals in live market. Whenever the signal generated, you will receive candle color also in different. For buy trend, green color candle, sell trend, red color candle will open. From open point, candle color is fixed. You will receive additionally calls also like entry point, target 1 and 2, stop loss. For example, now a buy call generated, a buy signal generated. So, a green color candle open, buy at 43,197.20. That is our entry point. That straight white color line, that is our entry point line. Above green color line are target 1 and 2. Below red color line is the important line, stop loss line. The first target range is 43,305.20. That is more than 108 point. Okay. So it reached 109 point to break out the first target range. Second target is almost double of the first target. Like this every day it will automatically analyze the market movement. It will analyze the candle movement. Okay. Once the candle breakout confirm, it will automatically give signals like this in live market. On daily basis we are uploading videos in our channel BUYSELL signal. You can watch our channel daily videos also. On daily basis we are uploading how calls are generating, how the signals is generating and how it's performing in live market. Now a buy signal generated. Let's wait and see how this signal work in live market. Within 20 minutes of the buy signal generated, market move 100 point movement, but market not able to break out the first target range. After 25 minutes only it finally able to break out the first target and market reached the target really well. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.